Snowflake jumped 36% after earnings, potentially shattering one of Wall Street's biggest narratives, that AI is killing software. Dan Ives believes this quarter's Snowflake report could mark a major turning point for the entire software sector.
There is growing speculation that enterprise software budgets have started to shift towards AI initiatives, cannibalizing software spend. But these results represent an important gut punch to the AI ghost trade. Dan joins us now for more. Dan, good morning. Good to see you.
Great to be here.
What is separating the winners and the losers right now in this space?
Look, I mean, at least did a great job talking about it comes down to monetization of AI. Now, look, it started off Palantir. Then you saw Datadog. Snowflake, I view as really a seminal quarter for the software.
Just describe what they do and why they're in the sweet spot right now.
So if you think about the data layer, what this is really showing is LLMs, as the models are ultimately getting deployed, the data warehousing, who the middle layer. As companies go down the use case path, you need a Snowflake. So the point is that you're trying to now find companies in the second, third, fourth derivative who are actually going to benefit. You have chip players over here. You have the hyperscalers over here. In the middle is a Palantir, is a Snowflake, is a MongoDB. And I think what this shows, I call it the AI ghost trade. You can't just paint every company with the same brush, saying that Anthropic's going to destruct software.
He then divides software companies into two groups, the winners and the losers. And in his view, the key factor that separates them is data.
Is there some kind of characteristic of what the winning feature really is for software today?
It's one word, it's data. I mean, data is the new oil, the new gold. And who has control over that data? That's what's going to separate winners from the losers. Snowflake, front and center on data. Palantir, front and center on data. LLMs, the models, they're not going to commoditize data. They could commoditize pieces of software. We see a UiPath and some others. You see it on Intuit. So that's why investors are trying to figure out which bracket. If you're in this bracket, stock's up 30, 35%, and I think going higher. On the other side, like a Salesforce, they need now to prove it over the next 6-9 months. And Benioff, who used to be in Mount Rushmore, obviously at the top of the mountain, this is, I think, for the first time, a true test. I think they'll ultimately succeed, but this is definitely, pressure environment.